G'day, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw R2-D2 in easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Although it's complex, follow along and you'll end up with an awesome drawing of R2-D2. I'm going to start by measuring up my little picture that I'm copying from, because this is a good way to get your proportions accurate. I'm using a ruler to transfer the guidelines across, and as you can see I've got the measurements on the screen, and I'm just mapping in the center line, how wide R2-D2 is, and some of the other key aspects for my drawing ready to go. You can pause this at any stage to get your guidelines looking correct. Now I'm drawing in R2-D2 and I've sped up the video. I'm drawing in pencil to get the main shapes of R2-D2. You can slow this down at any time to see what I've drawn. I'm using pencil first because he's such a complex picture and there's lots of shapes and lots of details. I wanted to get the basic structure, but make it look effective before I start the outlining. And that's what I would recommend that you do as well. Now it's time for refining outlining. I'm using a 0.3 Copic multi-liner. You might like to use a felt tip pen or a thin Sharpie. And I'm just going over all the lines that I've drawn in, and I'm also making sure that I add any extra details as I go. I'm going to speed the video up, but remember you can pause at any time or slow the video down so that you can follow along. As you can see, once you put on all the details and the outlines, R2-D2 looks amazing. He's one of my favorite droids from the Star Wars series, and I just loved him when I used to watch the movies as a kid and how clever he was helping Luke Skywalker out. With your colouring, I'm going to be using Copic markers. You could colour in with some textures or pencils, but you're not going to need too many colours. It's really just different greys and also some blues to make it look effective. I'm making sure that the light source is coming from the top left, and I'm putting some shadows on the bottom right. He's got a cast shadow, and just adding any of extra other details in to make him look amazing. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you got to the end, and I hope your drawing looks awesome. I'd love to see it. Remember, you can send them through to me. If you want to draw some other Star Wars characters, check out the links. And also, if you've got a special request that you'd love to see me draw, don't hesitate in getting in contact either via email or in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Thanks for joining me. Bye.